Welcome to Shannon's Big Room 2018 time. Today's video to my breakfast mukbang number 12. Yep, here's what I'll be eating. What? So, I'll be eating some more Eggo mini pancakes from my school confetti, some 2 sausage patties, cut it up, banana, yogurt, and don't forget my vitamins. This will be a yummy breakfast party. Hey, Mom, do you have to say something?
Something.
Because I'm doing a video right now. Can we talk about something while we're eating?
What do you want to talk about?
Can we talk about what we're doing today?
School.
What else?
They got to pick up stuff from your school.
Mm-hmm.
And you have a doctor appointment too.
What's it about?
Lips. We'll talk about it later. Oh, in your face.
It's all about. I'm trying to calm me down.
It's all about that face.
Stop it. What else do you have to say? What do you have in?
I'm having coffee. And a banana, but I'll get that in a minute.
I'll get yours.
Oh, thank you. It's laying on the counter. On the side. Yeah, right there.
I am an annoying banana. Oh my. Nice cause. Oh yeah. Wake up the babies too. I'm gonna dip your banana into your
Oh,
coffee.
no, don't. Come on, that's gross.
I won't.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mom. Love you.
Good morning, love you too.
They just kissed you, Mom. Kiss from that.
No.
Wow. Mom's always giving them fake kisses. Wow. Really? I can't fit in my chair.
Huh?
One of those too big for my chair. Would we buy me another one right away? We wouldn't. I would just have to sit and do it. What if I was bigger than the entire family?
This is my banana.
If I already get you saw your darn banana. I am. What? Why did you throw your banana? You can't eat it now. You just throw. No, you can't.
You don't eat this part. You eat the inside.
Still. Oh, hold on. I want you to draw something on your banana peel. Give me your pen.
Listen, but when you do it, you don't push down real hard. You gotta do real light so it doesn't go through, okay?
You will.
Real light. The lighter.
This is catching myself. Hi. What did you do to Connell? Keep feathering it, keep on feathering it. 0 out of 10, not enough ceiling fans. Mark, ball. The family's gone.
Ta-da! Look. Look at that one eye.
Oh my gosh.
Hey.
That's funny. You're funny.
Looking. Funny looking. It's just so with Shannon's Pancakes. Alright, I'm Mr. Pancake here. I got some news to report to you. People are going wild because Shannon's about to eat us all! That's it. Fake news is done for good.
Alex Logan being one of them because his wife just announced their 5th baby is coming into the world.
She had some silly banana faces. And I'm eating without my fork.
But he definitely
Stop.
has Matthew McConaughey vibes where they
Being
really
silly.
keep their own nonsense. You know, like Matthew McConaughey will do a commercial for a car, and he doesn't even mention.
Come on, can we talk about?
Remember that
Can we talk about something at 8:50? Remember that news thing about from Missile, my teacher?
Oh, like a morning announcements kind of thing.
Yeah, more announcement. Can you read it to them?
Says, starting today, students have the option of tuning into the homeroom tile at 8:50 for virtual fun prior to specials each day. Each day will have fun and engaging content for students to enjoy and start the day off on a positive note.
What about 8:50? Is she saying like I can do it or I can't?
It's optional, meaning you have an option. Either yes, you do, or no, you don't.
No, I don't.
But it would be so much fun. I bet you all your friends are going to be doing it.
I'm not choosing that.
Well, that's silly, Shannon. I mean, you do what you want, but it'd be nice if you went in there. It'd be fun.
No, it wouldn't. It would be more fun if I played on my phone and played Roblox.
I don't know, again.
I'm not going to
I
do
wish you would, but whatever.
And when does regular class start?
What time you think?
9:45.
9 o'clock you start school.
What about that homeroom meeting?
First of all, stop eating with your fingers.
And second of all,
School starts at 9, right?
uh-huh.
Like you have what today? Gym, right?
So
Yeah.
this week's
It
podcast
said to
is
go
always
to the
late.
homeroom. I'm talking. I'm over here. It said go to your homeroom tile at 8:50 before specials.
Yeah.
So what are you asking?
Oh, I understand now.
You go to the homeroom tile just for open and fun. Then you go to specials at 9.
And guess what? I'm saying no. I just want to spend the rest of my 5 to 10 minutes on my phone instead of doing that fun.
Yeah, because you never get enough time on your phone.
Yeah.
And I got to get a good picture of you to turn in for the virtual yearbook. Because they're not doing a regular yearbook this year.
It's a virtual school book.
I have no idea what they said. So. Slow
Trying-
down. What did we talk about? Eating one piece, chewing it.
Mhm.
When that's done and swallowed, then you put another piece in.
Yep. And I was like like trying to chew so much in your mouth and then only swallow it like
And
2
you
chunks.
choke.
Yeah. You might choke. And I got 20% battery warning.
Mm-hmm.
Already? Come on, it was 100% 8.5 minutes ago
What are you talking about?
when I plugged it in.
I don't know.
What's wrong with my battery? It's going so low, so fast.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hey! I'm fastful. I'm gonna show you. It's like outside. Look. Looks like that's not moving. Maybe because the wind might be so low. It's not like even moving. You know what the wind will go up to today. It's gonna be less than 30 miles per hour, that's for sure. Of course. And he only,
Already? No, I'm not.
yeah.
Why not? You ain't working. Oh, yeah, good point. Mm-hmm.
What time is it? 7:50. Well,
Yeah, 1 hour.
yep. 1 hour 12 at fun, but 1 hour and 10 minutes for me until I get to my specials. Well, no homeroom fun at 8:59. Ah! Yeah, I'm still not doing that. It's not. Can I go out?
No. No, I want you around smoke.
Oh,
Disgusting.
when I ever get outside of the patio? I haven't went in a while. We need to go out for our dad sometimes. Oh well, I don't want to smell his smoke. Well, his smoke really smells good.
What?
It smells like a fire.
What does?
His smoke.
Cigarette smoke?
Yep.
Oh God, no! It's the most disgusting smell in the world. What are you talking about?
Nope.
No, don't even say that. It's disgusting.
No, really, I'm not kidding. I do like the smell of it.
Well, no, you don't. You don't know what you're talking about then.
After I'm done this farm sausage, I'll have to wrap this up because my phone is finally reaching the 10% point. Or battery. Here's what you should not do. Did choke. Let's wrap this up quickly. And guys, so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. Like this video. Leave a comment down below. Press the notification bell so you know when I'm sending my videos. See you.